MP by o ma bedin kofu bebre abro enipa bebre ebi na adwo asafo kan na Ghana fo bebre ntinase hwede papa adwuma a omotum transport saa ne papa adwuma transport saa no de adwo asafo be kan na musen hwe nkofo adwuma ma ekufu adoba ogu no etisa nkofo wi na wosan pese omo san mra back ose oyinu Solomon we dey fend Solomon so no so dey oma back go MPP party dey wicked ene ono nko a enkere Japan so hu say MPP party ni watete ise ebetuma ginare so omo kan mu nyina abom don oyi ofo nsa na anwe wudi o emire wo yi ni nkaso MPP fo ni etum fo se party ni go na egu afi mo hu se party na problem o it's a problem of party na better what we dey about bonten o ten se ma yekoso MPP ma eni enya eni etan don tie kana wo be yo nsa na NDC fo na e de na wo MPP ni o anye se MPP ni keke o tini sika di support to MPP wo sika be na di support to MPP so hu se MPP ye fon o ka ye kan won tie ase because all party don clear obvious MPP kwa se mo madi adwuma na omuntumi bi mo gu nkofo adwuma hwe banks egu o Ghana UT bank hwe ne banks egu UT bank ne wan check it hwe MPP ana ama ye kan say CPP yi wabubu pa ko sindi o wabubu UT bank wabubu nkofo bebre yeso na yete First Alliance Savings Loan First Alliance Savings and Loans Bank me kai pa se me ne gabi o US na wana na ma me bi sika fama na yekoje me kai pa e wa dum so hwe nipa no mo ye adwuma mo nyina egu
the Don Tilo Facebook Don Tilo TV so Don Tilo about and send you up to the Ghana phone na ebe kaya enche kra na MPP for no elusu ya chese na me no ka say omako opposition at some de akonya ama NDC na omo elusu akonya no ewie na na officially no omo so omko thank you to it all the 60 regions in Ghana no omo ko ba bia na consistency awodo bebe na e wo Ghana ha say no omako na omo to aba na edema omo no omo to amfa mo nyina no omo da omo ya say esanse obi abon ho modi da na mo buy in the last 8 years mo mo modi anu nti na Ghana for e 2 million e dey efi omo ensem sansem no e cost no na say obra no e koto no Canada Japan e dey ensem bi etu ya say party no omo emu atete apansam anu nti no omo hia enkabo mo one love omo mo modi na ta tama na election e ba be koso no ntokwa bi e koso ma mpanyifo bi atwa omo e dey omo free MPP party no ho na mpanyifo no omo afiri ho no Canada Japan e dey atu ya e dey ato MPP mpanyifo ni na eni say omo mo de no mo company for nyina embom na e chopa se fata so so mo de ma obi bia no mo fa ma ne bakro na on sanso fa na mo nyam ene ne nyansan ma meta eye party no achi tasem no ebeto dwa no na owura aye friend Solomon Owusu o ye private investor e de ma de NPP o ye membership card holder na ono so akopie no o nya TV no de sem bi etu dwa tasem o de etu dwa no eno na Don Tilo papa e se obeso o ka bi kakra e de fa na before say e betie Don Tilo ensem o de etu dwa no asem na Solomon Owusu ade etu dan o kan say bibi na o hwe nsem na o kan ni ma na o de e kasa na otumu se Solomon Owusu de bu afu abibi party no pa say o membership card holder no mum o so say the last 8 years no before abona bro say enye no wife a ono ne ye private investment bi a enka bi ankasa be enka wo boka papa enka ne huzika na e won hu na aje so de entrepreneur na say businessman no kasa be enka sika ni nyina ahye esanse ono no obi adi before no o de sika afande over the years so mba party mu enya ade a oba mu so pe eye contract na se bi omo ka che ne se nka omo be contract mpo na nka se be ya obetimi any sika sakra ade atu kotokom na so no de before ade ayen no ono de omo be the last party a ebia obesanso akose obeso no nka bom no sanso eduma without wasting much time we can go here and some don't you etu dwa over here some before no ade etu that ura kan dey pon e kan ye say omo hia nka bom o before party no e wo di emra ba de aka esu hopi dey beton
once ya tese ya MPP foko thank you to ema omo a ye to aba yo mulusu ye no ebi mo omo to aba mo a so mo ntuma wi and ebi mo so omo tutia omo no omo kwado omo nyina se wo a mo tutia omo mo ho omo fonso na mo so amoso mo de dot mo damose nanu na kan Japan ko ka se ebi mo omo de abufu free MPP no tamane ye beto aba no o se enkabom de hia so omo tuma wi ni 2028 election e so omo ye enkabom nti mpanyimfo bi omo de abufu e free party mbia omo no omo nkasa na omo samra ehun komo ne yebabidi wati ase na omo okan no yakosi no na me be ka kire wo dare de nyina me ka kire wo se metena sisi a edbaku ba ko magma traveling to ni kurame obebu se magma traveling to de traveling to bi wa Dubai a open visa ba Dubai de fa ba bia se obedi holidays se ejuma sem na wo obeyi business bi la bia wo ni je ho se otu kwan so omo package bi omo 2-month tourist visa no mo ticket wo ba na be do na adwuma nya ready omo na be rent be mo otra no mo say chase come agent for mo adwuma no mo say adwuma agent for the amount 2-month visa no de ma buy no e be wudi na adwuma na ama 2 years ama onya resident visa wa wo mpi na apede mo so omo kurum ha monya company monya monkrata so wo emeritide nkwade a or package bi a obetuma 30 days visit to China obetuma kwa check business yesu akura de tisen ko foko China ko fane ma ebi mu pɛ visa na nya ede de ayefala se wo emeritide nti we de me ma mfa ho wate ase don men se emre no ho man bi e fe ni Solomon Wusu o ye MPP businessman pa ebia na wo no udi MPP e chi wo fa sika bi an hye MPP mu da bo no de omo nkofo omo discuss MPP mu no ebi no na MPP buy no omo de ye no o kan nkofo na Akufo Addo bo omo din se ye ne omo nkasa bi ti Alan Cash host na do yemu sa nkofo no omo de abufuo free party ni mu nyina no sa Solomon Wusu o kan obi mu yintie no wate mu ntie no ma tie.
If there is anybody, and I'm saying it on record,
okay,
that would never make me to go back to the New Patriotic Party, then it is bad for again. His lawfare, together with this court,
okay,
because of politics, on the altar of politics, I had gone for a facility from the NIB as a businessman.
Okay.
And I'm opening up, and this is real live situation. You're talking about this thing.
Over 4,000 people are watching. Please open up. Let's look at your own.
I went for a facility from NIB in 2016.
okay,
2016 wasn't Akufo Addo that was in power. Wasn't MPP. It was John Mahama. I bought classes of Toyota Hills. I'm a transporter.
Tio.
I have finished paying NIB on the altar of politics. When we started Alan Akufo Addo business, quickly, I came back for his friend. They were.
Oh, you were in MPP.
NPP. They were working for NIB as external lawyers. They went to court, filed that buses that were working have to be preserved.
Okay.
If I am owing a court, I am owing a bank, and you take me to court, at the end of the day, if it is proven that indeed I was owing, would I not be made to pay the money?
Yeah.
But the judge in the court decided to preserve the buses for a year and a half.
Wow.
But have been cut.
Shit.
Just part
I'm
of your
broke.
lawyer just confirmed it to me.
On one party.
They shouldn't go there. And then for his people. When sometimes when they are speaking, if they know the damage that the people and his people, during their term, I lost close to $4 million. A young man that is growing up in his business. They wanted to kill me.
Okay.
The only reason why I survived was that I was doing business with my wife. Can you imagine you waking up with your wife and not knowing what to do? At the point, the judge there, you said you have preserved the buses. I gave, what do you call it? The keys. I went to the court myself to see the registrar. And that registrar, the court registrar, look, the city annoyed this morning. Because we have a lot of things in our house.
Investors are watching.
So the judge preserved the buses.
Okay.
And you are talking about your experience.
My experience. Now,
And this was a high court?
High Court. I went there and then asked, told the court that these were, I had parked the buses here, they should go and take the buses. And then when these people didn't go for the buses together with the court.
Okay.
They sat there and later filed contempt application against me. We said, what have we done? We did search at the court, didn't find out whether they have orchestrated or put in motion processes to even go for the buses. There was none. One fine afternoon, I went to the court with my wife, and the judge said he had ruled that I was in contempt of court, and that I had to pay 30,000 on the spot. Either that me and my wife were going to. So can you imagine? And this is all happening last year. I said, what is happening here?
Okay.
I am not a soft nut to crack. So I said, yes, I will deal with these people. We went through the motion and they lost the case.
Okay.
June 2024, I won the case, and that my buses were to be released to me. You know what the day before his friend did?
Okay.
Anytime I was ready to go for my buses, they will file a stay of execution. They file frivolous applications. They'll file it at the High Court. From there, they will move to the appeal court.
MPP na move.
Until there was a change of government that they stopped.
But I thought you know him personally. You all were in the MPP, so I'm surprised.
I'm telling you the wickedness. This is not law. They are talking about investors.
Okay.
Who is an investor more than I do?
Okay.
Or you think the white man coming to this country is only an investor? If you were treating the people in this country in this manner, treating a Ghanaian businessman, I had never went for any contract, not even a 1 city contract from the NPP government.
Okay.
I was doing my private business, and the cheek of it was that I was even using my money to finance the NPP at Okakwe South.
Swati.
Go and check Okakwe South. Those that were financing them.
Okay.
You are not even giving me a contract, and you are talking about who they're talking about investors. You don't know the damage that they do in the courts.
Okay.
They should have not some of them. So they might be the last people. Let me say that John Mahama will be criticized if you go fall foul of the law.
Yeah.
But those that might be the last people to be talking about rule of law in this country
is MPP.
Must be the MPP.
Thank you.
Going by your own observation.
Thank you.
As an ordinary Ghanaian, what do you think?
Thank you. So what? MPP new. Ebi a wo wire ho a wo ka MPP asem krofa. Ebi a wo kura no, wo kapre kura nko MPP muda. Wo 1 cedi kura nko MPP muda. Enso ono wa sponsor MPP da na o ka kire kwana kuti. Ono wa sponsor MPP da. MPP ba o ma be din kofu bebre abro. Elipa bebre ebi na adwo asafo kan. Na Ghana fo bebre ntinase. Hwede papa adwuma a omutum transport saa. Ne papa adwuma transport saa na mo de adwo asafo be kan na mo sen. Hwe nkofo adwuma ma ekufu adoba ogu no. It is an kofu na osan pese omo san mra back. O se oyinu Solomon we dey fe Solomon so no so on the all back. Because MPP party be wicked. Any on nkwa. Enkele Japan so say MPP party ni mwatete. It's a ebetuma generation o maka omu nyina bom. Don owi ofo nsa na anwe wudi o. Emre ho yi ni nkaso. MPP for ni etum for say party ni go an egu. Afi mo say party na problem o. It's a problem of party na better what we dey about bonten. O ten sema ekoso MPP ma eni enya eni etan. Don tie kana we be o nsa na NDC for na de na we MPP ni o. Anya say MPP ni keke o. O tin sika di support to MPP. We sika be na di support to MPP. So won say MPP ye fon oka ye kan won tie ase because all party don clear obvious. MPP kwa se mo madi adwuma na omuntumi bi o magu nkofo adwuma hwe banks egu o Ghana UT bank hwe ne banks egu UT banks ne wan check it hwe MPP ana ama ye kan say CPP yi wabubu pa ko sindi o mabubu UT bank wabubu nkofo bebre ye so ne te First Alliance Savings Loan First Alliance Savings and Loans Bank me kai pa se me nega bi o US na wana na ma me bi sika fama na ye kwaji me kai pa e wo adum so hwe nipa no mo ye adwuma mo nyina egu we o se MPP kura ma no contract down enso no kwa ne dia wo no aye no ye egu no apa ban we o pa ban we wa wasem ye nto comment wa ate MPP dia don egu apa
Abusha don ti lo eto aso etu da se MPP for no party bi a say Mama Ghana for nyina ehun se omu ni hwe de ema Ghana for sense the last SBDS no mo ankasa mo nkọ for amodo musika ehye mu mpo no mantini amwa to aso eka kire ordinary MPP for members ni na se bia wo ye MPP ni de na mo no sori na wo kasa na mo de MPP ni ayin se eye no ku so no ku to na MPP na eko na ono wo be so kire mi se nipa wo de musika awura party ni mpo ese enne otimi efa no ho enhye me sanso omo ye mamfo omo ntimi emmo omai Ghana na wa wotin chan asa uteku ana osampampo enko party ni mu da osori a wose ye nja wona we da have fun na de ono no odi sika ewura party so ndo party na enko de sika abe fa ne eye party no de ekoso no de obviously party no enya de a omesanso about so back say na say anytime soon esanse every for mo twe omo ho e de afi mu na no aye hobisi na do ye mo ye ewura alankojo chairman mu na mo twe omo ho afi mu no in Japan, actually, my own answer from Korom or Macho, almost as one from party because a 2028 election, I have a corner say, Kabum Ama party, ma, Vegire, so there's also a party, and as a 2 minute free, NDC, and some ABM. Over to me, actually, watching Eddie Amame or comment section, share video, Amana, I like it. So if I come on, aha, a GHNet TV, any copy best. Until then, it's Samsung will be sharing you. Okay.